Meaning of Mars.
Mars. Mars.
Noun. Definitions. 1. The fourth planet from the Sun in the Solar System, known for its reddish appearance and rocky terrain. 2. The Roman god of war, often depicted as a muscular man carrying a spear or sword. Examples. 1. The NASA spacecraft landed on Mars in 2020. 2. Mars, the god of war, was often invoked by Roman generals before battle. Adjective. Definitions. 1. Relating to the planet Mars. 2. In ancient Roman mythology relating to the god of war. Examples. 1. The Mars rover is equipped with advanced navigation systems. 2. The Mars Temple was a sacred site in ancient Rome.
Mars. Mars.